In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Hubstaff app on Mac. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. This can be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the Google search page. In the search bar, type in Download Hubstaff app on Mac, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This search should bring up the most relevant results related to downloading the Hubstaff application for Mac OS. When the results appear, look for the official Hubstaff download page. It's always a good idea to make sure you're selecting the official website so you get the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. Go ahead and click on that result to open the Hubstaff download page. Give the page a moment to fully load. Once you're on the correct page, you should see an option to download the app for Mac. In most cases, this will be clearly labeled, so it should be easy to find. Now click on the download button. As soon as you do that, your Mac will begin downloading the Hubstaff app file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, simply approve it and let the file finish downloading. While the app is downloading, make sure not to close the browser tab if your browser is still processing the file. You can usually monitor the progress from the downloads area in your browser. After the download is complete, the file will typically appear in your downloads folder, unless you've chosen a different location for downloaded files on your Mac. At this point, the Hubstaff app has been downloaded to your Mac. If your goal was simply to download the app, then you're all set. If you plan to install it next, you can open the downloaded file from your downloads folder and continue with the installation from there. That's it for this process. As you can see, downloading the Hubstaff app on a Mac is very quick and straightforward when you go through the official download page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.